Hi, my name's Sam Gamon, one of the directors of Chisholm Gamon. Welcome to 201 Tramway Parade in Beaumaris. Now it's time to give a standing ovation for a modern sensation.
Fill your family life with light, space, versatility and timeless architectural appeal. Form and function come together in perfect harmony, offering wonderful flexibility in the living zones and a thoughtful separation of bedrooms. Everything your heart desires has been cleverly blended into the design. A master suite with walk-in robe and palatial ensuite, a sophisticated kitchen with double dishwasher drawers and an oversized smeg stove. The home continually delivers on style, quality and tranquility. Its position is perfectly located to sea view shops, schools, transport, sporting facilities, Melbourne's best sandbelt golf courses, the beach and walking paths.